Live from Cleveland, Ohio, I'm former Cleveland Browns All-Pro cornerback Hanford Dixon to announce our next pick in the 2016 NFL Draft. The Cleveland Browns welcome season ticket member Zach Biley.
Thanks, Hanford. With the 129th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Cleveland Browns select Derrick Kindred, defensive back, Texas Christian.
Not much talk about Derrick Kindred, but let me tell you, he is a hitter. He is a big physical hitter. Reminds me a little bit of, that they might be trying to get another TJ Ward in here. He's 207, but don't let that fool you. He plays like he's 237. I don't think you want him in coverage for very long. He needs to live around the box, and he has some team's ability, but he likes to come up and hit.
You like to have guys that can drop in the box that can create what I call those snot bubbles. When they hit you, it kind of bubbles up in that left nostril. This is what this guy does. If he can get with Hanford Dixon very early when he gets to Cleveland, bring some of that nastiness and toughness back to the dog pound. Hugh Jackson wants to create an identity for this defense, for this team. They're going to be physical. They're going to be aggressive. You want to add some physical players to that defense.